Okay, let's go. You might see I added incident response. Don't stress that part. We'll touch that one some other time. But all right, what does IAM stand for? All right, let's go. All right, true or false? IAM improves user experience. True or false? Excellence. Oh, okay. Blue team is not playing games. Which is a key concept of IAM? Identity access management, backup, identity, encryption, firewall. I guess it's self-explanatory. And there was a cheat code there, identity. All right, let's see. Okay, green is back. Okay, let's see. True or false? Authentication verifies identity. Authentication verifies identity. That is true. What does RBAC stand for? This one is tricky. Excellent, role based. I know it will be tricky, but all right. Let's see. True or false? IAM reduces insider threats. Which is a common IAM tool? Google Drive, Zoom, Slack, Azure AD. All right, true or false? MFA adds security. Does it add security? That seems to be an easy one. True. All right. Okay. What is the first step in IAM? add MFA, implement single sign-on, evaluate needs, conduct reviews. What is our first step? If I have an issue with IAM in my organization, what do we start with? Do we just start implementing MFA, implementing SSO, conducting review, or evaluate the needs? Yes, evaluation would be the first step to really know what the issues are. Green and blue are so close. Incident response minimizes damage. Incident response minimizes damage. True or false? All right, true. Wow, blue has taken over. What's going on? Green is, which is the key component of incident response? Encryption, backup, incident response team, firewall. And don't worry, we're going to talk about incident response as a class of its own. Midweek, most likely. I'll just we'll chew on that one. You're going to build an incident response plan, don't worry. Okay. All right, let's go. True or false? Incident response reduces recovery time. Awesome. All right, let's see. What is the first step in incident response? Ha ha ha. I like that. Okay. Don't worry. No judgment here. We've not touched that topic, but it's part of it. So we'll touch it midweek. So don't stress it. True or false? Cyber threat intelligence help prevent threat. CTI is cyber threat intelligence. Helps prevent threat. True or false? Okay. Wow. You guys are amazing, man. Everybody's changing and this is very tight. Which is the type of cyber threat intelligence? Firewall, backup, encryption, strategic. Which is the type of cyber intelligence? Tactical, strategic, backup, firewall, encryption. All right, strategic. Okay, so this is the I think two more to go. Let's see. CTI provides actionable insight. Cyber threat intelligence provide actionable insight. True. Awesome. Whoa, love it. You all got this one. Love it. Awesome, awesome. 58-0. Love it. Let me enjoy this one. Ah, this is good stuff. 58-0. You guys are awesome. Okay. All right. Final one. I think the last one. Okay. 17 of 17. Let's see. Double point. What is the goal of CTI? What is the goal of cyber threat intelligence? Encrypt data, monitor networks, stay ahead of threats, backup data. Threat intelligence. Are we staying ahead of threat, backing up data, monitoring the network, encrypting data? What is the main goal? Threat intelligence. Excellent. Staying ahead of threat. I agree with that. All right, let's say third place. Let's give it up for yellow team. Second place. Let's give it up for the green team. And here comes the undisputed champion of the world. Let's give it up for blue team. Awesome, folks. Love it. All right, all right. Let me share this with you all. Let's see. All right. Good job. Good job. That is awesome. Okay, great job, folks. Great job. Great job. Okay, that was just a little way to kind of juggle our memory a little bit to refresh us a little bit. So that is awesome. That is awesome.